Hands down, one of the best-selling flavored milk tea in the market has got to be Taro. We are going to make 3 different types of milk-based Taro drinks. It's going to be hot Taro Latte, iced Taro Bubbles Latte, and iced Taro Bubbles Milkshake using 100% Taro powder. For the ingredients, I'm going to use milk, sweetened condensed milk to sweeten the drink. There are many available Taro powders in the market. These are just 2 of them. I'm using here LongBeach, a local brand from Thailand. And here's another brand. Both are equally delicious, but for the purpose of today's demonstration, I'm going to use LongBeach 100% Taro powder. And because these are bubbles, I'm going to use Konjac pearls. You can use Tapioca pearls or also grass jelly. For the milkshake, I'm going to add whipped cream. And for our iced Taro Latte, I'm going to top it up with milk foam. We are going to make hot Taro Latte. And for this, I am going to use 1 teaspoon of my Taro powder, dissolved in about 30 milliliters of hot water. If you have a matcha whisk, use a whisk to dissolve the powder in the hot water. Steam your milk and then pour into your Taro mixture. And this is our hot Taro Latte using 100% Taro powder. Now we're going to make our iced Taro Bubbles Latte. For this, I would recommend you get a big measuring cup and assemble your ingredients in here. What we need will be 1 tablespoon of our Taro powder, 100% Taro powder, into the measuring cup. And then I'm going to add hot water, condensed milk, 1 ounce or 30 ml of condensed milk. Give it a little bit of a stir at this point. Use a spoon just to make sure they are combined somewhat. Into this, 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of milk. And this is where I am going to use my milk frother to combine or mix all the ingredients together. Add the Konjac pearls at the bottom of the cup. Fill the cup with ice. And then pour your drink over. And we are going to finish it off with milk foam. Finally, it is our Taro Bubble Milkshake. I'm going to assemble everything in my blender here. Milk, the water, and this time I'm going to use 1.5 tablespoon of my Taro powder. You will need a little bit more for a blended drink because it will be diluted with a lot more ice. 40 milliliters of sweetened condensed milk, and this is the one that will sweeten our drink. And finally, 1 cup full of ice. Pop this into the blender. Time to assemble the drink. Add Konjac pearls at the bottom of the glass. Well, there you go, 3 delicious Taro milk-based drinks that are for professionals. These are better than your 3-in-1 Taro powder that are available out there, and this could be priced at a premium level. So, okay, let's find out how they taste like. I'm going to start with my hot Taro Latte here. It definitely tastes 100% Taro and with that milk. So if you're looking for a flavored milk and with Taro in it, this is something that you have to try. Next, my Taro Bubbles Latte. This is a definite upgrade to the regular Taro that you drink out there in most of the bubble tea shops. This is, well, 100% pure Taro. Definitely tastes like Taro. And finally, my gorgeous looking Taro Bubbles Milkshake. Oh wow. That is delicious. I love the texture of this one, slightly icy, and then that addition of Konjac pearls, or for those that like Tapioca pearls would be a very good option to this as well. That is delicious. Do give these recipes a try. Let me know how they go for you. Definitely an upgrade to your existing 3-in-1 Taro powder. healthier, and also looks very, very delicious. If you're using 3-in-1 taro powder, do check out my recipes. In my book, All Things Milk Tea, you will find a lot of recipes there for taro. Not just for 100% taro powder, but also for those mixes that use taro. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.